Okay, are we ready? Well, we know second and third grade are ready. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, please make welcome your friend and mine, Ralph the dog.
Oh my goodness, look at all the people. Oh, I'm scared. No, you're not scared. Hey, how are y'all doing down there? You look like you're ready for Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. You look like you could roll. Stop it.
Ralph. Well, Ralph, are you ready for Christmas?
Oh, yeah.
You're ready for Christmas, huh?
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay. Well, I just love Christmas.
What do you like about Christmas, Mr. Harris?
Well, let's see. I like the lights. And I like the sounds.
You mean all these kids screaming all day?
No, not those sounds. I like the smells.
Is that what that smell is?
Oh, no. I like all kind of things.
Do you like tones?
Oh, I love tones.
I know a Christmas tone.
You do? Do you know what the name of it is?
The Night Before Christmas.
Oh, I love that poem. Guess what, Ralph?
What?
I just happen to have that poem right here.
Oh, what a coincidence.
Yes.
Wait, can you do it?
Why, sure, I can read it. Let me get my book here.
Would y'all like to hear it? Go ahead, Mr. Harris. Go ahead.
Don't rush me, big boy. I'm getting there.
Let me look at it. That's the way the night is so
That's not that funny.
Go ahead, read it.
Okay. And now, the night before Christmas.
This would be a good time to watch YouTube videos on your phone.
Oh. Stop. 'Twas the night before Christmas.
And the kids are driving their parents crazy.
Yes, they are, that's for sure. 'Twas,
Who says toys?
it's a story.
It's old and ridiculous like you.
'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house.
Why is it always a house?
What do you mean?
Kids live in apartments too. How does Santa get the presents in the apartment, Mr. Harris?
Well, I'm not sure. Can I go ahead and go?
Okay, go ahead.
Not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
Mouse? That's not a mouse. You're in an apartment. That's a rat.
The stockings were hung by the chimney with care.
Because they stank so bad, you needed clean air.
No.
Seriously, how did that tradition get started? Hanging up dirty laundry and hoping Santa would fill it. How disgusting. I'd like to eat this candy, but it smells like dad's feet.
Oh, stop. No. In hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there, the children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads.
Isn't this the part where Santa gets busted for breaking and entering?
No, it's not breaking and entering.
Oh, read on. I think it qualifies.
Oh, stop it. As I drew in my head and was turning around, down the chimney, St. Nicholas came with a bound.
He fell down?
Yes.
Santa is an uncoordinated klutz.
Oh, stop it. Quit talking about Santa that way.
I can't help it if he's falling down the chimney while breaking into people's houses.
He was dressed all in fur from his head to his foot, and his his clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot.
He's coordinated falling down the chimney, covered, and you let him in the house.
Can I finish the story?
Please do.
Okay.
Are we almost done?
Yeah, we're almost done. He sprang to his sleigh, to his team, gave a whistle.
Gotta go quick. There's a cop with a pistol.
Oh. But I heard him explain as he drove out of sight.
Merry Christmas to all. Uh-oh, I just ran over your thigh.
Oh! Ralph the dog. Give him a hand, ladies and gentlemen. Well, Ralph, would you like to introduce these wonderful second and third graders?
It would be a privilege. Okay, are you ready for some Christmas music? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the second and third grade Gland Elementary students, the sound of Christmas. And no, that smell is not the third grade boy's feet.
Oh, stop.